First we need to place the code into dimension CM. From there we can use the connector and invoke the command clone. This will clone the tip of the dimensions CM stream and populate the master branch in a Git repository. Now make some changes to the work area by modifying an existing file and adding a new file. Now commit the changes to the Git master branch. Finally, use the git dm command push to deliver the changes from the master branch to the CM repository. Let's take a look at the change set created in the CM repository using the desktop client. The change set records the modification and file addition.